I'm excited, guys. So this is gonna be in regards to the previous video I made. So just want to let you know that I am working on this project, and today I've ordered printed circuit board to be made, and I would like to show you where you can download all of the information in regards to part list and documentation for each part, and get prepared for whenever I get the board, and that's gonna be about 4 weeks from now. It will take me 1 week to get the printed circuit board design, and another 3 weeks for me to receive the boards. So on my website I will post zip file, which is here. I've compressed all of the information, such as, for example, electrodes, where you can get a pure electrodes, colloidal water. By the way, I have added colloidal water future generator to this design, so now you will be able to make colloidal water as well. So here you'll find links where you can purchase for a decent price everything you need to build this project. This is PWM generator. You will need that. And this is a parts shopping list from digikey.com. In here you can have all the parts you will need. There is 8 pieces of parts you will need to purchase from DigiKey and 4 from ebay.com. This is the circuit. I have added the switch to here, and a little later I will upgrade that to the computer format. For now it's hand drawn. I decided to go with TENS pads, electrode pads, because they're available instead of using similar what Sota uses, as I showed in the previous video. I have seen some other people are using the pads as well, and they'll work just as fine. So I decided to use pads. You can get 20 pairs for $10 or so. These are the wires that you will connect your pads to the silver pulsar. They're also not expensive, about $4 a piece, and you get 2 pairs for $8.05. Also, and there is documentation for plugs, 100K pot, lights, power connector, relay, toggle switch, Zener diode, and web links for all the components. So if you go here, you can find all of the links where you can buy each component from DigiKey. Also all the links where you can buy components from ebay.com. Also, well, all this, the link to the zip file, I compressed everything into the zip file. I will leave it down below. You can download from bbmpulsar.org. And as you guys know, I am trying to help you guys with this project, because Sota Instruments silver pulsar sells for around $350, which is out of price range for many of you, and even for those who do have money, it's kind of expensive to pay such a high price for device like that. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to help you to get this for affordable price. Basically, build it, do it yourself. I will be selling the PCBs for very affordable price. For, I don't know yet the price, I need to order them so I know how much I end up paying, and then I'll submit the price. I'll let you know what I will charge, but either way it's gonna be low. You can complete this project for fair, probably like 4 or 5 times cheaper than what Sota charges. And so the whole design thing and research and all that. It takes time, so I would appreciate if you can help me out as well. I'll leave the link to donation page, and if you're willing, you can help me out as well. I really appreciate that as well. All right, guys, I wish you good luck with this project, and we'll see you in the next video. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.